check your watches. Do you know what time it is? I do. Well, A, it's Monday morning, but B, it's time for some beard mail. I got a package, and I need to unbox this. You know what? Like, the hardest part about doing unboxings on Mondays is mail doesn't come on Sunday, so I've had this package for a couple days now, and it's killing me not to open it. But I want to make sure that I get it on video. I want to make sure that you guys get to see this, so we get to see how these companies package their beard products. So, stop what you're doing. If you're at work, put your feet up on your desk if you have a desk job. If not, go take your lunch break, grab your sandwich out of your lunch box, relax, watch this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a subscribe, and hit that little bell so you know when these come out, and you can just start planning your lunch break right around my videos. I mean, what's wrong with that? I like it. I think it sounds good. Let's just do it. So, hey, we're going to unbox this right here. I'm going to show you what's all in here, and I'm going to tell you about the schedule coming up this week, so stay tuned. Alright, so hopefully you guys subscribed during that. Looking for my knife here. So let's get into this. So this is a box from Ruddyman Beard Company. And first and foremost, like, I love repurposing Amazon boxes. So there's one point in this book already for me. I don't even remember what I ordered. I ordered some stuff from Ruddyman, so I don't even remember. I ordered so much beard stuff. Let's just dig in. Let's just find out what I ordered. Let me slice it open here. See what we got. Alright, first impression. Man, this is packaged well. It's got some protection. You always got to stay protected. Protection is key. So, kind of open it up here, see what we have in here. I'm just going to grab the first loose type thing, I guess, and take a look at it, which just happens to be a business card. You know what? Oh, there's a little note on the back with a drawing. This is pretty sweet. So, it says, Tyson, thanks for this. I'm happy to send you some of the best sellers. I hope you love them. Stay ruddy. Jimmy. So, we got business card and a little note card, and both have the logo on it. And, you know, like, the first thing that catches me with that first impression is Jimmy's got a good, really good taste in what a logo should look like. I mean, I'm just saying, like, check out his logo, check out my logo. Like, they're pretty close. Let's be real. Like, I might have to go back and just look who started theirs first and file a copyright infringement. I don't know. Come on, Jimmy. Maybe I copied him. Let's just lay the copyright infringements go down, and let's just say that we're both on the same page. We like our beard. We like what we got going on with our logos. We're awesome. A Ruddyman sticker. Man up. Take care of your beard. Love that. That's gonna go on my in my sticker collection. I have a whole pile of stickers. I like to sticker things up, and I got a whole pile of them now. So next thing, we got a balm in here. And the way that I kind of picked these out is I just went through the scent profiles, and then I was just like, I want this one, this one, this one, this one. Sent him the money, and he sent me the product. So this one is Balm House. Apple and cinnamon, it looks like. Just for, I don't know the scent profiles right off the top of my head. I don't remember them, but I'm just going off the picture on the tin. I'm not going to give you my impressions right now on that, especially off of a balm. I do not like to give impressions off of balms. Next thing we have in here, we got a bottle of oil, it looks like, here in a single pack. I try to open these kind of nice because I like to repurpose them. I like to send out beard oils to my subscribers, or, you know, just people that are trying stuff. So this is Shipwreck. It says sandalwood, coconut, and lime. I'm not a big sandalwood fan. Disclaimer, like, I'm not a huge sandalwood fan. But coconut and lime sounds interesting. Okay, so first I get sandalwood, and then after that I get, right after the sandalwood, I get the lime. So the lime's kind of what hangs around for me. We got a big ol' bubble wrapped package up here, so check this out. Sea salt spray. Like, you want to talk about being a man? I'm into grooming in all aspects, and sea salt spray, I mean, I'll take it. I love sea salt spray in my hair. I've used it in my beard before. I won't talk much about that. I mean, I use it in my beard sometimes, but sea salt spray is awesome in the hair. I do have longer-ish hair that I can style and get some volume and stuff with to do. So sea salt spray is good in the hair. I don't mind that. So it's pretty cool. It's called Ruddy Waves. I like that. Labeling is good. Bottle seems pretty solid. It's got that normal sprayer type thing that you're starting to see come around lately. Is a lock-unlock button right here. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to try this out, actually. I'll throw this in my review just because I use like a sea salt spray pretty much when I do my hair. So if I'm going to go to work, I'm going to do my hair, and I'll do a sea salt spray and get some volume in there. Next thing we have in here is this box here. So this is empty. We'll get rid of that over here. And he's got Faithfully Bearded written on here. So let's just open this up here, see what's in here. So I'd say this is probably, I'm just going to go out on a limb and say that this is probably how most packages come. Like, I've only ordered one package from him, and it was this kind of stuff in an Amazon box. And so I'm assuming, after seeing this now, I'm assuming this is how most of your packages are going to come. I'm not 100% sure, or if maybe a smaller order that doesn't have like the sea salt spray, maybe. I'm not 100% sure, but so like when you open this, like maybe this is the real unboxing here. Because when you open this, you got the logo here and the website, but then you have all this stuff. And you know, when I threw that box with the bubble wrap, I was about ready to say, hey, look, my daughter doesn't have much to clean up, it's pretty easy. But wait, we got the eco-friendly paper shreds. And if y'all watched my last unboxing a little bit ago, last week, you know what that means. They just get tossed and cleaned up later, because I don't want them on my desk, so they just get tossed over the shoulder onto the floor. And the first thing I grab here is Godly Beard. It's called Godly Beard, and it's cedarwood and frankincense. Love it. I get the cedarwood right away. Frankincense follows, so don't mind that. Then I grab Double Shot, which is coffee and vanilla. Y'all know I love my coffee. I always have coffee. I drink coffee all day long, morning to night, and so a lot of times I have trouble with coffee smells in my beard, so this will be interesting to try out. But I definitely get a coffee, and this to me is like a coffee fragrance for sure. Like it's kind of like anything that you would smell. That would be, it's kind of like a candle that would be scented like coffee and vanilla, in my opinion. But it'll be interesting to see how it is in beard. And then Baumhaus, the apple, cinnamon, and vanilla. So this is the one that I really wanted to try. This was like the one that I was just like, I have to try this out. So now that is good. So I really like apple cinnamon candles, especially around the holidays. So an apple cinnamon like beard oil or balm really got me, and I was just super excited to try it out. So this will definitely be the first one that I try. So that's kind of, I mean, that's what's in the box, more of this eco-friendly stuff. It's falling all over. I won't throw this just because I'll just close the box. I'll be a little bit respectful to the kid that's going to clean this up and close that box up so it's not all over the place. But I still gave her some work to do. She hasn't had to do this in a week. So now she's got something to do tonight other than homework. So that's it. Ruddyman, man. That's some pretty good packaging and stuff there. It seemed protected. It came quick from when I ordered it, and he stayed in good contact. Like he Instagrammed me like when he shipped it out, sent me the picture and stuff. So like I'm pretty pumped about it. I'm excited to get into it and try it out. So here's kind of how it looks. We're going to do donations based on the likes on this video, so make sure you like this video. Donations last week went to charity. This week they're going to my church, and I'm also going to get with Ruddyman here today or tomorrow and set up a donation for his church too, so I'd like to split my church and his church this week. And then Wednesday I'll have some sort of video, I'm not exactly sure. Friday will be the review on Ruddyman and the live stream where we're going to give a bunch of stuff away. We're also going to do cash giveaway Friday on the live stream as well. So subscribe, hit that bell, like this, hit me up on Instagram, tell your friends and family. Let's get this channel out there. Everybody needs to hear about this. And let's, first and foremost, the reason we're here is God. Our Lord and Savior is #1. Gives us the ability to do this. Gave me the ability to build this awesome backdrop last week. The technology to be able to reach you guys, to get some Ruddyman product, to have a beard to be able to test it out, and I just thank God for that. And I thank you guys for watching and subscribing and helping support this. Again, I've spent all my money so far on this setup and all this stuff and getting the beard product. Nothing's been for free, and it's all a work in progress, and your guys' subscriptions and your views and your thumbs up and your comments and our interactions on Instagram, it helps. It helps more than you know. So keep that up, please, and I thank you so much for that and for all the support. So, hey guys, stay bearded. I know everybody says that, but let's stay bearded. Let's stay a brotherhood. This community is awesome, and I can't thank you enough. So until next time, God bless.